Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're exploring Netfox, a powerful network monitoring tool found at https://www.netfox.ca. Netfox offers a streamlined and efficient way to capture and analyze your network traffic, making it an invaluable resource for developers, security professionals, or anyone curious about what's happening on their network. It's simple to use, even for those without a deep technical background, and provides a clear, concise overview of your network activity. Whether you're troubleshooting connection issues, investigating suspicious behavior, or simply want to understand your data flow better, Netfox can provide the insights you need. Its user-friendly interface allows you to quickly filter and search through captured data, identifying specific connections, protocols, and even individual HTTP requests and responses. With Netfox, you gain a comprehensive view of your network traffic, empowering you to identify bottlenecks, security vulnerabilities, or other potential issues. Its ability to capture and decode HTTPS traffic provides a deeper level of analysis, enabling you to see exactly what data is being transmitted. This feature is particularly helpful for developers debugging network interactions or security analysts looking for malicious activity. Furthermore, Netfox's lightweight design ensures it doesn't bog down your system resources, allowing you to monitor your network without impacting performance. It's a valuable tool for anyone wanting greater visibility into their network activity, offering a powerful yet accessible way to understand and analyze data flow. For more advanced users, Netfox offers a range of customization options, allowing you to tailor the tool to your specific needs. So, whether you're a seasoned network engineer or just starting to explore network analysis, Netfox is definitely worth checking out. Visit https://www.netfox.ca to download and experience the power of this versatile network monitoring tool. Remember to check the description below for helpful links related to this video.